If your space feels a little out of control and messy, just know that we are in this together. You are not alone. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to clean and tidy up this messy kitchen. Very messy, right? So come with me, let's take breakfast before we start cleaning the messy kitchen, because if you don't work, if you don't have energy to work, how will it work? You have to eat to have energy to do your work, right? Yes. So I made this hot tea because it was a very cold Saturday morning. I took the hot tea, I downloaded every bit of it, and I enjoyed it, right? So I took this hot tea and went back to the kitchen to start cleaning up the mess. As you can see, my kitchen needs some love, and dishes scattered everywhere is waiting to be washed, and crumbs everywhere in the countertop, and just a bit of beautiful life chaos everywhere. Yes, so we started off by bringing down all the dirt and every irrelevant things that are on top the counter. We brought them down, like the microwave, the oven, and the basket of plates, and we cleaned the space. You can see me removing that basket plate. I rearranged because I didn't like it there. It wasn't giving me that vibes that I wanted there. It wasn't giving me that, so I removed it and I put back my microwave to that same spot on the oven. Went back to cleaning the ground, removing the buckets of gari, my semo, and every other thing, my buckets of water, and I cleaned that place thoroughly. I really did a very deep clean. You can see how sparkling my buckets and everything are looking. Right? I am sweeping and at the same time arranging. You see this process, it saved a lot of time. So next thing, I dropped the broom on the floor. I removed this thing. I checked in my spaghetti, they were still okay. I removed the bag of rice and I had to sweep that spot and clean it. Then I pushed my bag of rice back inside and set it. It's even going down, right? So if you love me, my lovely followers, my subscriber, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Today we clean, right? We do amazing stuff in this page, this channel. We cook, we share our lifestyle, and we show easy to go recipe and cheap and affordable. So I went to the place. I had to do the dishes. Doing the dishes is another beautiful thing, right? But not all the time I like doing dishes, so I had to do this dish as soon as I can before I lose interest in doing the dishes or I get tired, because not all the time I like doing the dishes. This is the after look. Look how beautiful and sparkling the kitchen is, right? I cleaned the walls. I couldn't film every part though. I cleaned the walls. I rearranged the space so that there will be enough space for me to work on while cooking, right? Rented apartment and their small space. So guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar, and like, share, and comment on my page. Bye. I love you.